Hello, how are you doing everyone? This is Uncle Frank again, and today we're gonna learn how to draw Charmander. I'm gonna start with this oval for the head, and the first thing I'm gonna do is divide it in the middle. So there's gonna be this central line. Here I found a place for the nostrils, and I made a horizontal line. So I know where the nostrils and the eyes are going to start. Fine, then there's gonna be another oval here, about the same size. That's gonna be the body. Try to find the central line, like this. And then I can draw his belly. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to do so. It just takes 1 second and it's free. So click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. For the arm, I'm gonna start right here, and I'm just gonna do the basic shapes. This one is gonna be raised. The other one's gonna be a bit more to the side, like this. So remember, they have to be chubby arms. Now I'm marking a line showing how his legs are bent. One is going to start up here. It's just a curved line. One line from the center, and then basically he's gonna have no calves. It's just leaving the thigh and going straight to the foot. And then here I divide the place where I'm gonna place his talons. I think I can say so. Now for the other leg, I'm gonna do something similar. I'm going to bring a line from the center and then a curved one on the opposite side, and then straight to the foot. So for the tail, I'm going to bring it from his bottom, like this. And for the fire on the tip of his tail, I'm just gonna go loose with some curved shapes, some curved lines. It would be looking like hair, but it's gonna be actually fire. Like this, and a few more lines inside. So now let's work on the face, and remember when I said that the nostrils would be somewhere around here, close to the line. So we're gonna draw the nostrils, just 2 lines in a V shape, and then his mouth is gonna be kind of pointy. They're gonna come all the way to the edge of his face. Alright, now let's make the mouth. It's wide open. The tongue's gonna be here, and I can find the place for the 4 fangs. So the eyes are gonna come from the line I had drawn before. Two lines here and then a big oval. more lines here. And now this oval is gonna be a bit narrower than the other one. So all I have to do now is to draw a few more shapes for the inside of his eye. It's time to refine the shape for his head, so I'm going to make a temple. And a very small cheek. I'm gonna bring it down under his mouth. You see that there isn't much of a difference between the original oval and what I'm doing now. Couple of eyebrows or eyelids, couple of details on the face, and now 3 fingers on each one of the hands. It's just 3 points and they're gonna be enough. So let me just adjust a few more things and see if I'm satisfied with everything. Okay, so I guess the sketch for Charmander is ready. Time to use the marker. Don't forget that if I'm going too fast for you, you can just pause the video and try to catch up. For this drawing I decided to use colored pencils, but you can use whatever you have at hand. You can use colored pencils or maybe paints, felt tip pens if you like. It's just important that you try it yourself and use your imagination. Try to do your best. Using colored pencils usually takes some time, so I'm gonna fast forward a little. That's it, then I think our Charmander is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video up to this point. And if you haven't done it yet, so just leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.